From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel. Spotlight on the auto industry to start the trading week with the Detroit Auto Show underway. And the industry right now sort of in this complicated relationship, we'll call it, with the incoming Trump administration, with Donald Trump looking to get U.S. automakers in particular to expand their American operations. Ford and General Motors already previously announcing plans to invest more in their U.S. plants and maybe not produce as much in Mexico, for example. And Fiat Chrysler announcing that they're going to put $1 billion into 2 U.S. assembly lines as well, one in Michigan, another in Ohio, to ramp up production, create 2,000 jobs. The auto industry also looking at a little bit of nostalgia for some brands that are coming back. Fiat Chrysler saying it's going to build the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, sort of a larger sized SUV, maybe even with faux wood paneling as the previous model once had. And Ford saying it's going to bring back the Bronco SUV and Ranger, smaller size pickup truck. Car and truck of the year also unveiled today. The Chevy Bolt electric car taking car of the year honors. And on the truck side, it was the Honda Ridgeline. This was the 10th anniversary of the day that Steve Jobs unveiled the iPhone. And the big thing about that is it's only been 10 years. Seems like it's been out in the market a lot longer. Back in 2007, there was no such thing as an App Store or FaceTime or some of these other innovations that have been put out just in this past decade. And of course, the disruption the iPhone and mobile devices caused for advertising, for example, and how much time we spend on these wondrous handheld devices. Now, if you bought Apple stock back in the early stages of 2007, you would have been paying about $13 per share. Keep in mind, it had been split, has split since that time. $13 then. Today, it's around $118. Of course, Apple over the past decade becoming the world's most valuable company. Lululemon had a strong holiday sales season. That's according to the CEO, Laurent Poitevin. They put out their revised guidance on fourth quarter earnings, saying that their in-store sales and also online very strong for the Vancouver-based yoga wear maker. It was interesting to see Lululemon, which has had a good performance for investors over the past 12 months, up about 26%, to hold steady in today's trade. And we did see a few more records on the markets today. The NASDAQ hit an intraday high, for example, but a pullback to start the week. A little caution to start this week. It's been Wall Street up for 8 weeks in a row coming in. The price for oil was down today, in some cases as much as 6%. U.S. producers seemingly ramping up their production a little bit, with the price for oil a little bit more of a money-making venture at these levels. And the TSX trading lower in the Monday activity. From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel.